Welcome back. Let's make Parmesan-Herb bread. Over medium-high heat, unsalted butter, oil so the butter doesn't burn, in go the onions, then add sugar and salt. Cook until nicely golden brown, deglaze with white cooking wine, cook off the alcohol, or until a jammy-like consistency forms. For the wet ingredients, sour cream, vegetable oil, and 2 eggs. For the dry ingredients, flour, Parmesan cheese, baking powder, baking soda, sugar, Italian herb seasoning, garlic powder, and pepper. Fold in caramelized onions, pour the wet into the dry, into a baking pan it goes, bake at 350 degrees for 45 to 50 minutes. Melted butter on the side for dipping, and there we have it, Parmesan-Herb bread. That's it for today, guys. Drop a like and a comment below, subscribe if you're new. I'll see you next time.